Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Delhi High Court directs state to conduct training of newly recruited public prosecutors. Women's Reservation Bill cleared by Cabinet, likely to be brought for discussion during the special session of Parliament. Delhi High Court allows admission to DU 5-year LLB course on the basis of CLAT score. Uttarakhand High Court takes moto cognizance on the issue of lack of playgrounds for children after cricketer Virat Kohli posts a video. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Delhi High Court directed the government of National Capital Territory of Delhi to conduct training of the new recruits as public prosecutors in coordination with the Delhi Judicial Academy. The High Court also directed the state government to file a status report in the matter before the next date of hearing regarding the implementation of direction regarding training programs and availability of vacancies for the position. The High Court earlier raised the concern with the Delhi government for delay in filling up the vacant posts of public prosecutors in district courts. The court also warned the government that failing to file a status report stating reasons and explaining why the delay occurred in filling the posts, the court will direct personal appearance of the law secretary and other officers who are responsible for the delay. A bench of the Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Sanjeev Narula were apprised by the amicus curiae Rajiv Virmani about the lack of training program for public prosecutors. He also informed the court that recently 60 posts were filled, but no training has been imparted to them. In a key meeting, the Union Cabinet cleared a legislation to ensure 33% reservation to women in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. The government may introduce the bill during the ongoing monsoon session of the Parliament for discussion. The Cabinet meeting was chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and was also attended by Union Ministers Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Piyush Goyal, Prahlad Joshi, S. Jaishankar and Arjun Ram Meghwal among others. The legislation was much awaited, but many opposition leaders questioned the real intent of the government, owing to the introduction at this time. In May 2008, the Women's Reservation Bill was introduced in the Rajya Sabha and was referred to a standing committee. The bill was also sent to the Lok Sabha, however, was not passed and lapsed with the 15th Lok Sabha. A division bench of the Delhi High Court, comprising the Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Sanjeev Narula, allowed the University of Delhi to take admissions solely on the basis of Common Law Admission Test 2023 results, instead of the Common University Admission Test, for its newly introduced 5-year integrated law course. The High Court passed an interim order while allowing the admissions only for the current academic year on the basis of the CLAT score. The court dealt with the question as to whether the central universities were bound to take admissions through CUET or if they have the freedom to choose any other mode. Submissions by the Centre and the University Grants Commission were also filed in this regard. The Centre was of the view that the central universities can decide on the standards of admissions for professional courses and the CUET was not compulsory. While the UGC at first opposed the move by Delhi University, but on September 12th, it filed a counter affidavit in the matter, seeking dismissal of the petition and stating that with the approval of the Academic Council and Executive Council, DU has resolved to admit students on the basis of CLAT. The Uttarakhand High Court took moto cognizance on the issue of lack of playgrounds for children after a video highlighting it was posted by cricketer Virat Kohli. In the video, Kohli can be seen interacting with children who talk about there being no playgrounds for them. A division bench of the High Court comprising the Chief Justice Vipin Sanghi and Justice Rakesh Thapiyal issued notices to the Sports Secretary, Urban Secretary of Uttarakhand and Youth Affairs and Sports Secretary of Government of India, among others, and sought a reply from them within a period of 2 weeks. The court raised the question as to the policies being implemented by the government to provide adequate playgrounds to children and whether there are schemes under the Khelo India program to ensure the physical growth and development of children. The matter is scheduled for October 9th for next hearing. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.